To enable or disable voice access on the Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down and search for Accessibility. And then once you go to Accessibility, we should be able to find the voice access if you scroll down a little bit. So once we go over here, we can turn it on quite easily just by tapping on the switcher. And if you turn it on, you will have a little setup. So of course you can go through the setup and you can adjust some of the settings. For example, over here we have all different ways that allow you to activate the voice access. Usually you can find the notification for voice access, so you can tap on the notification to turn it off or turn it on. Also, you can add the listening button, so you can tap on that button in order to start using voice access. And also you can say stop listening in order to turn it off. So let me quickly demonstrate. Now, as you can see, the voice access is activated and the speech is converted into a text, and this is your command. So now as I'm saying things, the phone thinks I'm trying to do something or make the voice access do something. And shortly after that, it should say something like the command was wrong or something like that. So let's wait for that. There we go. Sorry, didn't understand that. So yeah, usually you need to wait for the speech to be done in here, and then you should be able to say whatever the voice access is supposed to do. So let's say we're gonna go to the home screen. There we go. It actually picked up home screen. So if you say go to home screen, then it works. Open settings. Open settings. There we go. So this is how it looks like. You can also say stop listening in order to turn off a voice access, so it stops listening to you. Stop listening. And there we go. And now it doesn't pick up what you are saying. Of course, you can completely turn off a voice access back again in the same setting where you turned it on. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.